Fall 2025 is not about fashion for the sake of attention. It's about fashion as a mirror of values. The top autumn trends this year are wearable because they reflect what people are craving right now: dignity, stability, and respect. The era of looking cheap, overly desperate, or overly performative is over. What we're seeing instead is a return to clothing that protects your presence, elevates your aura, and communicates intelligence without a single word. This autumn isn't interested in shock value. Shock has become boring. The outfits that dominate now are ones that don't scream, they command. People are no longer impressed by exaggerated silhouettes or vulgar styling paraded as empowerment. The truth is that this kind of fashion strips power away, reducing you to exposure rather than giving you gravitas. Autumn 2025 is about undoing that damage and bringing mystery, authority, and elegance back to the center of style. The wearable codes of this season aren't costumes, they're strategy. They're about editing, choosing what sharpens you and cutting out what dilutes you. Every piece that's relevant now is about discipline, because discipline in fashion is what separates those who are respected from those who are dismissed, and people can sense the difference immediately. Another layer to this season is individuality. For years, fashion has been flattened into a homogeneous Pinterest aesthetic, where everyone looks the same. Fall 2025 rejects that. Wearable fashion now is not about mimicking, it's about personalizing within the boundaries of refinement. That's why sameness feels instantly outdated, while a curated look with subtle personality feels fresh and magnetic. And here's the raw truth. If what you wear doesn't make people take you seriously, it doesn't matter how trendy it is. The autumn-winter 2025 trends that dominate are those that will still feel relevant years from now, because they're not tied to a fad, they're tied to a standard. Elegance, refinement, and presence never expire. This is the deeper meaning of fashion in fall 2025. Wearability as the ultimate form of power, because in a world drowning in noise, looking composed, intentional, and untouchable is the rarest flex of all. Fall-winter 2025 is shaping up to be a season where fashion is finally drawing a line in the sand between what elevates and what embarrasses. The autumn trends worth paying attention to now are wearable because they don't exist to perform for social media. They exist to redefine what it means to hold presence in the real world. What we're seeing this year is the collapse of fashion as costume. For too long, people have equated trendiness with excess, piling on logos, exaggerating silhouettes, pushing vulgarity under the guise of empowerment. But that language has expired. Nobody is impressed by overexposure anymore. It looks cheap, insecure, and dated before the season even ends. The autumn styles that matter are the ones that build aura, not noise. The real top trends of 2025 are not tied to a single look, they're tied to a mindset of editing, a mindset of control, a refusal to look like you've been dressed by a trend cycle instead of by your own standards. Because here's the brutal truth, the more you follow every passing fad, the less you look like someone worth admiring. Autumn fashion this year is for people who understand that consistency beats chaos every time. Wearability in 2025 means timelessness disguised as modern. It's refinement without screaming. It's subtle codes of elegance that are magnetic because they are not desperate for validation. And that's the key difference. Desperation is out. Authority is in. The people who dominate this season are not louder, they're sharper. Not exposed, composed. And here's the unfiltered truth. Most of what is being pushed as new this season is already dated. The drops designed to shock, the overdone attempts to reinvent glamour with gimmicks, they'll be forgotten before winter ends. What won't be forgotten are the people who wear clothing that communicates identity without begging for approval. That is what fall 2025 is about, fashion, not performance. This season, the wearable trends aren't simply telling you what's in, they're showing you the cultural reset happening in real time. A reset where elegance is the baseline, restraint is the flex, and being untouchable is the only trend that actually lasts. Fall-winter 2025 continues to sharpen the divide between fashion as a costume and fashion as an identity. The truth is, only a handful of the so-called trends being pushed right now actually matter, and Those that do are not built for Instagram likes, but for legacy. They are wearable because they allow you to step into a room and command attention without noise, without gimmicks, and without compromise. This season demands a new honesty. People are done with the over-sexualized silhouettes packaged as empowerment, the plastic luxury pieces sold at absurd prices, and the endless cycle of drops designed to exhaust your attention span. That isn't style, it's chaos disguised as relevance, and chaos has already lost its cultural currency. The autumn trends that dominate now strip all of that away. They're about composure, precision, and clarity, about creating a presence so strong it doesn't need amplification. They're about fashion that doesn't try to impress strangers, but instead builds respect where it matters. And the reality is that respect will always outlast attention. The most wearable fashion this fall is subtle but isn't weak. It's not bland uniformity either. That's the old version of quiet luxury people are already bored with. What 2025 is demanding is style that's refined yet personal, structured yet fluid, elegant yet distinctly yours. Because what truly makes something wearable isn't its trend status, it's whether it reflects who you are while elevating you above the crowd. This is the cultural reset of fall 2025. Fashion is no longer about proving you belong. It's about proving you can't be replicated. And the people who get this will never be mistaken for the ones still chasing fads. That's the difference between being seen and being remembered. And fall-winter 2025 has made one thing brutally clear: only one of those actually matters. Fall-winter 2025 makes one thing clear: this season is cutting through the clutter and exposing the difference between fashion that elevates you and fashion that reduces you. The top autumn trends are not defined by gimmicks, by shock value, or by empty novelty. They are defined by standards, and those standards are non-negotiable this year.